Now, like I said before, the purpose of the project was to have students learn about the motto, fail fast to learn faster. What this means is that rapid iterative cycles and improvements help students to learn faster within the context of the design challenge to ultimately produce better products. Students started with a large quantity of sketches, then a blueprint of their prototype they wanted to build. Quickly built a low-res prototype to then quickly test it out. Low-res prototypes are preliminary models made from basic materials built to gain information quickly and to speed up the progression of a design. Rapid iterative cycles consisted of students quickly building a low-res prototype and then immediately testing out their spacecraft off the drop test station, analyzing their results through their video recording of the test, identifying failure points, and fixing these failure points to improve the prototype with additional adjustments, and then testing again, doing it all over again multiple times. The more rapid iterations, the better.